Hello there, welcome to the Wingtips. We are back with part 3 of PlayStation 5 games. If you guys had still not watched part 1 and part 2 of this series, so
What are you waiting for?
we had mentioned some awesome games which you should not miss. Links are in the description. So let's start our segment with number 5, which is Oddworld Soulstorm. Oddworld Soulstorm is an upcoming game in the Oddworld series. It's a reimagining of the 1998 title Oddworld Apes Exodus, built on new engine and with a newly written story. Soulstorm will serve as a direct sequel to Oddworld New and Tasty and is currently expected to release in 2020.
Is up to you. You must find your full voice.
On number 4, we have Little Devil Inside. Little Devil Inside is an upcoming action adventure role playing game developed by NeoStream Interactive. The game was first announced on a Kickstarter campaign in April of 2015 and has gone through various stages of development. During the PlayStation 5 reveal event, it was announced that Little Devil Inside is to be a Sony timed exclusive for the PlayStation 5 system. On number 3, we have Kanna Bridge of Spirits. The story revolves around Kanna. A young spirit guide travels to an abandoned village in search of the sacred mountain shrine. She struggles to uncover the secrets of this forgotten community hidden in an overgrown forest where wandering spirits are trapped.
Through this land. Yet you do not fully understand it. Driven by the belief that you can help these troubled spirits. But you cannot hide your weakness from me. You have no power here. Kena.
Agent 47 is back. Yes, Hitman is back with its third part and it's number 2 on the list. Hitman 3 is the dramatic conclusion to the World of Assassination trilogy and
It was
takes
always
players
gonna end like
around
this.
the world on a globe-trotting adventure to sprawling sandbox locations.
All your
Agent
hard work
47 returns as the ruthless professional
your
for the most
sacrifice
important contracts of his
only sped
entire
up the
career.
process. And now, you find yourself alone. Only death awaits.
On number 1, we have Horizon Forbidden West. Yes, Aloy is back, returning exclusively to PlayStation 5 in a brand new next generation Horizon sequel, Horizon Forbidden West. Also known as Horizon Zero Dawn 2, has been officially announced for PlayStation 5 at the PS5 Future of Gaming event. The open world action RPG sequel was announced via a new trailer at the digital showcase and confirms that Aloy will once again be returning as its central protagonist. And this time, she is headed to post-apocalyptic San
In that
Francisco.
place came new life. And new dangers. I must find a way to stop it. Or it will get worse and worse. Until it destroys us all. There's nothing I wouldn't do to save this world. No depth I won't explore. No secret I won't unlock. No barrier I won't cross. This mission is mine alone. If I falter, if I fail, there won't be anyone left to stop what's coming. But whatever comes, I will be ready.
So that's it for today. We hope you guys liked this video. If you did, so please press the subscribe button and like button. Comment us your favorite game and yeah, share this video. We'll be back with more exciting videos. Till then, take care, peace out.